Sanibona bafethu uvane lo so sesithole indaba manje sisathanda kuthola indaba nje regarding umdlalo weOrlando Pirates bafethu uMhawu Nkota mina ngimkhumbula uMhawu Nkota umdlali lo bafethu owapromote uJose Riviero last season esimbone edlalela iOrlando Pirates simbone eshaya idebut yakhe escore against iAmaZulu FC sambona futhi edlala le kuChampions League escore against amateam manje ngoCR Bezuizdad yabo umjida ngempela ubedlala ngempela uMhawu Nkota bafethu. But-ke namhlanje kuphume indaba kuthiwa uMhawu Nkota will be leaving Orlando Pirates namhlanje Orlando Pirates ikhiphile indaba confirming the news regarding uMhawu Nkota. No one saw this coming. Akekho umuntu obekulindele lokho ukubona uMhawu Nkota ehamba ayodlala le eSaudi Arabia. Njoba nibona le Orlando Pirates iconfirmile indaba kuthiwa we thank uMhawu Nkota for his contribution to the club and wish the best for him in his new chapter of his career. Umjidi uyahamba impela bafethu akusizona indaba ezimnandi lezi. Mase nibheke la unplayable na uconfirmile ukuthi umjida uyojoyina iAl Ettifaq. Al Ettifaq iclub le idlala le eSaudi Arabia abayaziyo ke seke bambona uSteven Gerrard ecoach leya club leya abadlala abanjengo Dean Henderson badlala khona abadlala abanjengo Archie Gray badlala khona abadlala abanjengo Dean Wijnaldum yabo lo mjida lo wedlala eLiverpool badlala khona so umjida impela bafethu uyodlala eSaudi Arabia la khona imali kwileague yaRonaldo. There are many European players yabo ababedlala lapha abadlala eSaudi Arabia so umjida uyodlala kwileague ecompetitive kakhulu. There are many high profile players actually abadlala kuleya league so umjida nje uyodlala nje kumele ayimisele and ama wages azowathola lapha kuleya league makhulu kakhulu so I don't think ubenayo enye option. Maybe benga opted to go to Europe but ukuye Europe bekuzomenza ahola ama wages amancane compared to lama wages azobe wahola lapha. I'm not saying umfana kumele eEurope but you have to think for your future. You have to think ukuthi okay imali engizoyi-earn lapha kule club engiyoyijoina ingakanani yabo. Many European players opt to go eSaudi Arabia. Yithuba leli elingaveleli umuntu alivamisile ukuvelela lithuba leli umfana omncane ona 20 years old so ngimfisela okuhle bafethu uMhawu Nkota engathi aqhubeka adlale kahle yabo represent iSouth Africa le eSaudi Arabia. Kulapho bebesho ukuthi Orlando Pirates ayifuna ukudedela abadlali ayikho leyo nto. Orlando Pirates iyathanda ukudedela abadlali bahambe bayodlala overseas. Ekuyikona ukuthi kufika isikhathi yabo isikhathi sisuke singavuma umdlali mefuna uyiclub Orlando Pirates iyabheka ukuthi leyo club leyo ingamsiza yini lo mdlali lo in the future. To be honest le club le iAl Ettifaq to be honest ingamsiza kakhulu uMhawu Nkota fethu cause uyodlala vele kwileague competitive against abadlali abalazi ibhola yabo abalazi. There are many high profile players abadlala kuleya league ayodlalela umjida so ngempela uzoyisiza iAl Ettifaq naye umjida uzoyisiza ukuthi akwazi ukudlala kuma league competitive. Singambona seyodlala le mhlambe eEurope because there are clubs eEurope ascouta khona vele kuleya league leya so ngempela umjida kuzomsiza lokho. So kulabo bathi Orlando Pirates ayifuna ukudedela abadlali abanjengomfukeng abadlali abancane nangu kuNkota Orlando Pirates emdedelile yabo ayilukanga icucuza vele umfukeng ubefunwa iclub yaseIsrael. I don't think ikhona iclub etheni enkulu engakwazi ukusayina umdlalo so Orlando Pirates asuka ayodlala eIsrael. Hayi ngeke kwanami nje ngukhoza bengeke ngivume ukuthi umfukeng ahamba ayodlala le so ngiyamvumela mfethu umjida angathi angahamba kahle afike adlale kahle bafethu. Ungangitshela ama comments uzizwa kanjani ngale deal but ke to be honest it was unexpected into nje evele yenzeka nje indaba nje eyiphuma manje zavele nje zavumbuka bengayitshela ukuthi uNkota mina uzohamba but ke ngibonile ngawadlala ama games awuthiwe Orlando Pirates pre-season abona uSnowman kwenzakalani. uNkota phela uyena umdlali esimaziyo he is the starter kweOrlando Pirates yabo uyi-starter umjidi uyadlala ngempela manje mengawadlala ama pre-season games there are things going on behind the scenes nako ke sebesurprise ke mfethu ukuthi umjidi uyahamba impela. It's a bittersweet moment because sibe naye isizini eyodwa uNkota yabo sibe naye isizini eyodwa bese simbalile kuma plans ezama fans bese simbalile kuma plans ale season ethu ukuthi okay we have uMhawu Nkota we have uTshepo Moremi we have uSunapolis we have lo mjidi sengithi uSaleng umfukeng ngale so besinawo ama big guns nako ke seyiphuma indawo. I think Orlando Pirates kumele enze enye signing maybe to balance the squad because mekhamba uNkota right now things soba ne right winger eyodwa kuTshepo Moremi so soba nenkinga kakhulu so we must make another signing ezokwazi ukubalance season. Maybe i-signing leya Neo Mokoena because I heard ukuthi uNeo Mokoena uzopromote maybe it makes sense now.